Hi guys, I ordered the Wicked cushion for the Audeze Maxwell, and I tried it out yesterday a little bit while gaming. I gotta say, I don't think they are the most comfortable, but mainly that is because it adds extra weight to the Audeze Maxwell while it's already a really heavy headset. And just for comparison, like these are the stock cushions. They are like really, really lightweight. They are really squishy and really thin. So sometimes I would have that I would kind of feel the inside of the headset when I was wearing it. And I thought if I would have cushions that are like thicker, I wouldn't have that. So that's the main reason actually I went for the Wicked cushion. And all the great reviews I saw about it. And then this is the stock headband. And this is the Wicked cushion headband. Also a way different feel. Like it's a bit yeah, how do you say it? It's like kind of soft or something. And well, this is like really yeah, it feels like um way less sturdy. That's the right word. I'm sorry. It's way less sturdy, the stock one, than this. It feels really yeah. And then we have these cushions, right? You can already see how much less squeezy this is. Like it's way more sturdy as well. I do think when I feel it like this, it feels really nice. And I saw some other reviews that people said the base felt less with the Wicked cushion than with the stock ones, that you feel the vibration more with the stock ones. But people say overall that in the long run, with long gaming sessions, the Wicked cushion are more comfortable. I really gotta check this out for myself still. I did a long gaming session yesterday, but it's kind of hard to say because at first when I got the headset, I also had a lot of pain on my head. And that kind of went away pretty much the other day already. And yesterday I had this pain again. So it might be because of the Wicked cushions because they make it extra heavy. And I gotta see if like after a few days the pain actually goes away. So it doesn't have to be at all like this for you. But just a heads up. I do think it looks really, really cool. I really like this red with black. My hair is also red, so I wear a lot of black. Okay, that's my cat. Well, I hope the video was somewhat helpful. And I do believe this is the only one available for the Audeze Maxwell, is the cooling one of Wicked Cushion. You can, oh yeah, wait. I also read that you cannot put them in the washing machine. The only thing you can do is clean it with a non-alcoholic wipe. Alright guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.